and welcome to the vlog. I am not being a very good vlogger because I am currently walking upstairs. So pardon me. Feel the burn. But we are back in Sydney today. Got some people behind me and we are doing the Sydney Harbour bridge climb today, which if you, I'm actually really out of breath. Wow. But if you've never heard of it, it's like this huge bridge that goes over the Harbour of Sydney and you can climb it. So there's a group of 7 of us today that is climbing it. And I think we're going the wrong direction. No, we aren't. I don't know.
There's a sign that said Sydney Harbour Bridge.
It did? Okay. Anyways, oh yeah, bridge climb. But yeah, so we can't actually take you guys on the bridge with us, but hopefully we can, I don't know, it's part of the adventure. Even if it's just a suiting up, but anyways, we'll see you guys. So that bridge right there is what we are going to climb today. We go up and over all of the cars, and our hike is 3.5 hours, so one would assume that it's gonna be relatively intensive. There's the sign, so I think we actually need to cross the street. Woohoo, we almost made it. Just a little bit further. They have videos going of all the famous people that have ever climbed the Sydney Harbour Bridge. So, needless to say, we are in good company. Freaking Oprah?
I'm just going to be with you for the next 20 minutes, just getting you ready to go up on the bridge. And then I'm going to head you off to your climb later, and they're going to take you up there. So the first thing I have to do is just go around and breathalyze everyone out in the hole. You need to be under 0.05. The way this works, I'm going to hold the breathalyzer up to your mouth and you just count out loud to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. While I'm doing that, start filling out one of these forms. Just make sure you put your full name and home address on there. And then just the sign in the top box at the back of the page.
Got my official climbing suit. We are ready to go. So I'm suited up. I feel like I should be in Top Gun or something. Got my aviators on. Give me a twirl. Yes, Gregory, give me a twirl.
Why does it open from the back?
You look great. Mon.
You would do that. No, I'm good.
And then there's Melissa in the background who, of course, put it on backwards because she's a genius. You guys look great. We look like we're ready to go into space. Let's do it.
Okay.
Hey y'all, we made it to the top of the Sydney Harbour Bridge! Woo! Guys, we are back from the bridge climb. I have my signature touristy hat that we got to wear on the climb. I'm in the dressing room, as you can see, but I'm about to get out of my fancy garb and be done for the day, but it was freaking awesome.
I just punched you. So sorry.
We just finished the bridge climb.
Yep, we did it.
There were 7 of us. Let me put it, you can't even really see it, but it's over there back in the distance, but we just completed it.
You made that
1,400
steps.
1,400 steps, 134 meters above sea level. We nailed it. So if you guys like this vlog, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel down below, and thanks you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye!